doing?
What you mean?
Sir,
Yes.
this week's transaction declined.
Give me my purse! Give me my purse! Give me my purse back! That's mine! And it's your boy Marquise.
And welcome back to our channel, guys. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss every time we post.
Bangers.
Because we are dropping bangers for you guys.
Bangers.
Now today, guys, we're doing acting ratchet. And we're acting ratchet together, boo.
Baby, because that's how we ride.
Exactly.
What is it like this? Locked in.
Locked in. Alright, guys. So your boy Marquise.
I'm not the aggressive. I'm not the sprucing myself up a little bit.
Exactly. So let's head and get this little baby ready. Okay, guys. So this is the little masterpiece.
This is my little piece right here. I'm gonna call her Wigella.
Wigella?
Wigella.
Wigella.
I am going.
That's cute.
Yeah, Wigella, you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, so basically today I am the new, well, I ain't gonna say new because he good. He good at what he do. I am the new Martin. I'm the new Big Mama. I'm the new Tyler Perry. What's it? Madea coming at you today. Alright, so you ready?
Yeah.
I'm really about to let her put this on me. I'm about to be looking like a whole different person.
I was so happy I can do this to him.
Alright, so we gonna come back with it, right?
It's not. I got combs.
Come.
Dang, your head big.
Stop the cat. Stop! Ow, my neck!
Do that.
Bring it back down, you showing my hair, my real hair. Yeah, I look seamless. Oh my, hey, I still look good. Say I don't. Say I
Y'all, this wig need washing, so don't judge me.
I thought you washed it before you put it on my head.
I sprayed it with some water.
Water, dude, water ain't clean. You just put a dirty wig on my head.
Okay.
Now I'm just a rockstar game banger. Hey, I can pull this off, good, okay.
That's what I'll be doing. Trying to hide that lace.
Oh no, I don't need high miles. Mine's all natural. You don't want it. Look at my ends. Like my ends are like.
This.
What is this? You want me to pay for this?
Girl, chill.
Like I'm supposed to be going on a date soon, and I'm supposed to get my hair
Oh, it
slayed.
was right here the whole time.
Goofy, look at you.
Y'all, this is just some blush, you know, to rosy the cheeks. You bring it all the way up. Yes.
Look like somebody smacked me.
No, you actually just bring it all in your face.
Alright, it was
Okay. Alright, we gotta get the glutes right.
Bro, you really doing too. You having too much fun right now, bro. This shit look nice. What's that?
Be quiet, stop touching it. Hey, why are you touching it? Stop. Do this.
Is that right?
What are you doing?
What you mean?
Whatever, dude. Just stop.
Just love, so thank you. Yeah, no problem. You never had no problem. Oh my God, your lips. So you know how many compliments I used to give about? Oh, you got some soft lips. I was like, I know, son. I know. Ah, good old days.
You ready? You feel cute now? You feel pretty?
I can give me a 6-figure nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Marquisiana.
Nah, I don't want that to be my name. Let me see what my name is.
Your name is Marquisiana.
Nah.
Marquisiana. Alright, my family came up with that name for him, which is so
I don't know
funny.
why, bro. Like, did I like Marquisiana? Like, why y'all calling me that?
Marquisiana, cause that's cute.
I don't know. I'm kind of feeling Marcella.
No, your name is Marquesiana.
Alright, guys, leave it. Hey, drop it in the comments.
No, your name is Marquesiana.
Is y'all feeling
It's
what?
Marquesiana. Get it straight, girl. Get it straight, Marquesiana.
I know my name. I know
your name too. It's Marquesiana.
I'm not looking at you. I'm looking over you. Hold on. Who is that? Who's talking? But like I said, leave in the comments. Are you feeling Marcella? Or are you feeling Marquesiana? I'm feeling Marcella right now. You know, beefy Marcella.
Alright, guys. So we gotta make this.
You gotta fix this thing.
What's wrong with
It
this?
look crooked.
Stop being all teacher-matic.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
A teacher-matic. Like you being over dramatic, just a teensy. Hey, chill.
Where you Google that word from? Like I ain't never heard nobody say that. Ow, that's kind of on my head.
And you wonder why I be snatching that thing off my head. It's the edge snatching.
That thing in there hurt a little bit. Might start glossing my lips so that, look at my damn self.
I didn't start something. Chill. Alright, what's up?
Girl, she don't know what she done started. What is this?
You do not need no understanding.
Yes, I do. Look at my stomach's all out.
Stop.
Fat boy summer.
You gotta suck it. Suck it in. Suck it in. You can't pull your. You gotta pull your pants over your stomach. Yeah, like that.
That's ugly as hell.
You gotta tuck. Tuck, baby, tuck. At you, okay.
Everybody love this.
Hey, look at him.
Y'all, that's crazy. Like, y'all better like this video. I look like somebody's dad. I need to go back to the gym. My six pack's starting to disappear. Hey, you can see the lines coming in. Don't judge me. Don't play with me.
Alright, guys, so we got Marquesiana.
How you doing?
Fire.
Ask got my belly button now. Gotta get the fresh air. You know.
Y'all, so first off, do I have a fraction enough for you?
Girl, you look like you're comfortable.
I look comfortable, cause I'm comfortable.
You look comfortable. I look all. I ain't gonna lie. I look like the chick that a chick will rock this shit. Just go out like this, bro.
He look cuter than me today. Dang, how a man look cuter than me?
I don't know. I just guess I get them both. I
guess. Do I look better now?
Oh yeah, you look way better now. Girl,
Okay.
I'm gonna take these pants off real quick. Girl, I ain't got no butt. Matter of fact, let me see my butt look like.
Hey, shake it.
I'm a grown man. I don't shake my butt. I ain't got no butt.
Shake, hey.
Nah, I ain't doing it. Nah, I ain't doing it.
You can't do it?
Can't do it.
You can't do it?
Nah.
Look, all you gotta do is this. You can
turn on me. Nah, you can turn on me though.
You can't.
Now, how you know when your friends go to the club, y'all be turning on your friends, right? So go ahead, girl. Come on, girl.
Hey. Oh, no, you grab it. We don't grab. We don't grab.
The videos I be seeing, y'all be grabbing stuff.
Okay, your turn. I'm gonna teach you. Go ahead.
Dude, I'm not doing this.
Come on, all you gotta do is shake it side to side. Come on. Hey, come on, harder. Pop it. You gotta pop that hip. Pop it. Hey. Come on, we can do that. Hey. Ooh, we gotta go to the gym. We gotta get our bodies right inside my body because we're gonna be outside.
Girl, my body's only seen in the dark, so I'm okay.
You like outside?
I can cheer you on, go girl, hit that treadmill, 5 more, you know, I can do all that, but.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Alright, let's go there.
Alright, let's go, y'all. We're gonna go to the
I might change
gym.
my top though. I'm not.
You not feeling the top?
I'm not feeling the top.
Y'all don't she look cute? Tell Marquesiana that he look fire. Marquesiana look fire.
Do I look good, Mr. Armstrong? Is that what it is?
I think so.
Do I look good, Mr. Armstrong? Hey, I do look like a female. My mama gonna whoop my ass. My mama about to whoop my ass. Girl, hurry up. Like, I'm trying to go to the gym, get my body right. Then I'm trying to eat and replace those calories I just burned with some more. Like, girl, come on. Like, it's hot outside. I'm feeling good right now.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Oh, okay, best friend, go, best friend, go. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I thought I had to unlock the door. Come on, girl, get in. Your outfit is nice. Oh my God, come on.
Okay, I'm sorry. Come on, let's go. Oh! Okay, not that fast though.
I gotta let my hair blow out.
You remember when you got that you was going 30 miles on the speed limit? Whoa! Child. You can slow down. This is why I drop my own self places, because you can't trust these girls. She don't have her license.
Girl, my license is suspended, but hey, I know how to drive. I know. Oh,
It's just
all you need to know is how to drive. Girl, that's it. That's it. That's all you need to know is how to drive your car, and you don't need no license. Who there to tell me I need a license?
Cause you need a license, not hard.
My picture was cute though. I tell you that.
I bet it was. Marquise Tiana be taking.
Now go see somebody that did you.
Come on, you about to just come with me.
No, let's go check.
Okay.
Somebody come.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay, girl, like say you want me to burn a couple calories, like I guess I can hop on this treadmill for a little bit. On my baby. Don't drop my baby. Give me my purse! Give me my purse! Give me my purse back! That's mine!
Yes, Humpty, get it!
Yeah.
Get it! Yeah.
That's my purse, bro. Give me my purse back, bro. Ooh. And that's how you stop somebody from stealing your purse.
Period.
Oh my God, you got Uncle Sam and Aunt Gina, Aunt Pam coming. That's cool. Hope they stay out there. Yeah, get it up there, girl. We gotta get that cardio fast. I am
Gotta get my
hungry.
catwalk in, okay?
Okay, catwalking. Somehow you walking. Okay, step, left, right. Do it right. Oh my God. Girl, Vogue is about to call you today.
Period.
What you drop? Nothing, because you a bad bitch. That's all. Exactly. Oh. Okay, we'll just cut this out the workout video. We'll just cut it out.
Right? They gonna see that. We're gonna cut that out. Shoot.
All right, get that running. Somebody just stole your phone. They about to text your man you at the club. You ain't sleep at your friend's house. They stole your phone, girl. They got all your pictures of you touching up on Tyrese. I mean, not Tyrese, what that nigga name? Trey Songz? They gonna show your man. That's how fast you running, girl? Girl, they stole your phone. They is gone. They is gone. Girl, they stole your phone. They is gone. I still gotta get my muscles right. You know, I gotta be able to. Gotta be ready to box somebody. See what that is?
90 pounds.
That's 90, girl.
You think you can do that, Marquise Tiana? Push those haters off.
Fuck out the way, bitch. That's mine. Get the fuck out the way, bitch. Woo.
Woo! Yes.
Girl, look at this. Put this on my IG. Like I work out. Cause I work out. Oh. Like, say this ain't a cute picture?
Yeah, it's cute, girl.
Oh my God.
Period.
Period. Baby. Girl, let's get it. Gotta jump over your haters like this.
Hey.
Back down. Alright. Steps. Woo. Gotta fix my pants. I should put my leggings on today. It's not Get bang like you should. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. I'm tired.
Hi guys, my name is Leandra, and so this is how I do my workout, y'all. So you get like, what's this, 15 pounds?
15 pounds, girl. That you know that's heavy.
It's heavy. So okay, so you do something like this.
Oh yeah. Drop. You gotta bend them knees, girl. You know you gotta stop playing. Bend them knees. There you go. Oh yes. Hold that thing. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Shake it a little bit, shake it a little bit. And then back up. Oh.
Okay.
Playing with them. Playing with them. Hip hop workout? Oh my God. Go best friend, go best friend, go. Hit that shit. Yes. Yes, get them legs up. Knee them in the face. They can't get close to you. Oh my goodness.
Period.
Girl, get you towel. You cool down. I know you hard. Look at that.
Nice.
Is it cold?
Noise.
That's nice. Like they don't got no drinks, it's just towels. Like that's money right there.
Munty, okay?
That's how you drain off? Ooh. Well, that's hot. Girl, if I was a dude, I'll totally be in your DM.
I know. Here, girl, go ahead and dry off.
Girl, you have to sweat around it. I like you, but I don't like you. I don't like you this much.
Okay, get your own then.
Ew.
The fuck?
Ew. Girl, you want me to sweat on you? No, exactly. Oh, this is perfect. Ooh, that's perfect. That's perfect, ain't it?
It's a little lopsided, but...
Girl, my daddy paid for these. It's fine. Feel good though. Oh my gosh. Flashbacks, honey. I just got some flashbacks. Alright, let's go get something to eat and let's go.
Period, because we bad bitches.
We just killed that. Good gym session. All that.
Period.
Period. Alright, girl.
We killed that.
On to the next thing. All day with my girl turning up.
Period, because niggas ain't shit.
Exactly, niggas ain't shit. They ain't never gonna be shit. So keep it pushing. Look at my baby. You gonna be something though. You so precious.
You don't want to be bothered.
Best friend, where is you going?
Dance to the track.
Oh my God. Girl, you ain't even dance like that.
I don't care.
Yeah, girl,
Did you
what
see
you
me
doing? You could have danced like shit.
Then if you could do better, do better. It's like people say wanted and say what they can do, but you don't think I can do it.
You won't. I don't think you will do it. That's the thing. I don't think you will do it. Oh my God, twerk it, best friend, go, girl. Give me, let me see them cheeks. Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Oh my God. Girl, you was so fun. That's why I love hanging with you, boo.
Stop it, boo.
Oh my God. Like, I ain't never had a best friend like you. Like all these other females.
The train just stopped.
Wow.
Cause they like my dances, best friend.
Oh, he about to come out the train, man. About to come holler at you.
Y'all, they about to come out the train and come holler at me.
My girl about to get a conductor.
Period.
Big bucks. Yes.
Big
You work for the state. Oh my God.
Exactly.
My top
It's reversing.
it's throwing it back.
It's throwing it back.
God, it's throwing it back.
Look.
Best friend, get your man.
It's not my man coming, girl.
Get your man. He's really throwing that back for
It's
you.
throwing it back. I am Ratchet. R-E-E, fuck nigga free. Now that I ain't gotta worry about a fuck nigga cheat. Here you go. Sign your boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get out and get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine.
Not a red light, working at a red light. She came coming inside, bitch, and really scared, right? Oh, I can't get something in my eye, girl. That's my motherfucking shit. Glover, that's my motherfucking girl. Like that's my theme song right there.
That's our theme song, bestie.
Our theme song, my bad. I'm wrong. That's our theme song right there.
Exactly.
Oh, girl, this red light been forever. I should get out. You should get out and twerk.
You was getting out that square.
I know it's green now.
It's green now. Period.
Period. Let's go get this food.
I'm starving, y'all.
Bestie
She had candy in her
I
car.
always got some snacks in here for you, because girl, I know you like the snack.
Exactly. This is bomb. This is
I just don't eat it all, because that's all I got. That's all I got.
Girl, be quiet. Stay still. Anyways, it's kind of hard. Anyway, it's like I'm chewing on. I don't know. It's green, babe. It's green, girl. It's green.
I am reading my text message.
You should be texting and driving.
I'm not. I'm reading and driving. It's
Okay,
different.
it's the same.
No, it's not. I didn't use my fingers.
It don't matter.
My shit itchy.
Girl, you ain't got no comb?
No.
You got a Ratchet comb, you just take it and you like scratch it. Yeah, pat it. You can't scratch it, bestie.
Like, I wish I had natural hair like you, though.
Me and bestie cute today, though. Pretty pretty up. Pretty up. Right? Bestie, my birthday. This thing, bestie?
Don't ever do that again in your life.
Why, bestie? I don't know. When my motherfucking birthday thing, she tripping, big tripping, all day tripping.
If that's what you think, boo boo, we gonna let you think that, okay?
That's why you looking a hot mess. The fuck?
My man like me. I know somebody that like me.
I bet you came out that you came out there looking rough, bestie. You came out here looking like
you and your
looking like
feelings
something. Nah, you look like you was back there getting cracked.
No, never.
You gotta keep it classy.
Never that. I'm top. I'm always on top.
Talking about your head itching. You sure he didn't have bad bestie?
No, my man keeps his sheets clean. He got Egyptian cotton.
We at McDonald's with it.
Okay,
Period.
I don't know what I'm doing.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm the bestie. You got me this time.
My man only gave me a couple dollars.
I'll pay for my own food. It's cool.
I'm just saying, I don't have it. If I had it, I would. But if I don't, I don't. He only gave me a couple dollars for me.
What y'all burger gas?
I told you to come in.
Huh?
Told you to come in.
So you did that for a couple dollars?
No, I did
You
that.
a cheapo.
No, bring that back, bring it back. No, I did it to get mines and some food.
So that's your food pickup?
That's my food, man.
That's your food, daddy?
That's it. 5 minutes, I'll get some food. I'll give me a little something.
I kind of want an apple pie. Ooh. Who we getting though? Bestie, we did just work out, so we gotta be little, you know.
Yes, just give me one moment, please.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, just one moment, please.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what I want, girl.
Go ahead and do my order first, bestie.
Can I get one large fry?
1 large fry?
Extra crisp. I want it for fresh. Drop fresh.
Can you get that drop fresh?
Extra
That's
crispy.
$3 now.
I and my code is 6777.
And
Do you want me to cook to order?
yes, cook to order. And she has a code for $1.
It's 6777. 6777.
6777. 6777. There you go. Okay, thank you.
No.
Now one moment. Can I get one vanilla ice cream cone?
Okay, anything else? Sauce for the nuggets?
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be it for that order.
Okay,
you got the money for that?
507.
You got 507?
You come with the next window.
What happened to the 4-piece nuggets being $1?
Oh no, that's it. That's done for me.
What happened to the 4-piece being $1? That's $2 for a 4-piece nugget? That's
Your
ghetto.
phone up.
Try my card.
Girl, it better not decline, cause I ain't gonna be.
It ain't gonna decline,
I'm
bestie.
not about to be sitting here looking stupid.
You ain't gonna be looking stupid, bestie.
Is this it? This the first one though?
Yeah, she said hold on. Because
Thank you. She ain't gonna look at me.
out of respect, kindness, period.
Exactly. So woke. Girl, you better not decline.
It's not gonna decline.
Sir,
Yes.
if the transaction declined.
Girl, you say you have money on
Okay,
there.
just use the other card then, my
Let me-
bad.
I'll take that one back. I think I have a card or something. This one?
It's only $5. You ain't got $5. Hey, got my vlog looking stupid now.
Yeah, this one didn't go either.
Girl, why? Like, okay, just let me get this one. Hey, okay, I promise there's something on this. I promise. I got you. It's fine. It's gonna go through. It's gonna go through. Oh, please have somebody on there.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. I say my daddy always comes through.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, you are so pretty. I like that little beauty mark.
Let me get your
Get out my bag.
Girl, stop being like that.
Don't let me do
Hey,
that.
she is kind of cute now. I'll take this wig. I'll take my shirt real quick, sing back to her.
Don't even play like that. No. Get out my
Girl,
bag.
take my food because it came from my pocket.
Get out my bag. Hey. Get out my bag.
You being so stingy right now. Thank you. You as well.
Get my phone.
Oh, she got some cute ass eyes too. Hey. How you think about something back around? I can pull it.
So you lesbian now? You lesbian now, baby?
Baby, whatever's pretty. If it's pretty, it's pretty.
Mm.
I don't care if it wink, as long as it don't stink.
Bestie, you funny as hell.
Oh shit.
You want some, Bestie?
Let me eat that. We didn't do nothing.
Wait, I forgot, Bestie.
I said we didn't do nothing up here.
I don't know, Bestie. You could have that. You can have that, Bestie. I'm good.
Bro, why would I lie to you?
I'm fine. I'll just take my fries.
I'm just saying. I don't do that with him.
Not with your food.
No, not my. Only thing that go in his mouth is food.
Best fries, McDonald's, period.
Oh, this line got packed.
Cause of you, Bestie.
I swear, every time
Yeah.
we go somewhere, people just let her follow me.
I'm actually y'all. Look at that one.
They be so dead. They be
I
so
was mad
dead.
dead.
So you get there and then everybody want to show like, dang, they there, so we got you.
Dang, exactly.
Oh my God.
Like dang.
Some followers.
Followers, period. She was not feeling you.
She was not.
She was not feeling you, Bestie.
King,
She was looking at me though.
you as well. Nope. Like I said, I'm gonna come back through with a whole different outfit on. I'm gonna be set. I'm gonna be Gucci.
Okay, Bestie. She was trying not to laugh at chat. Oh, that's hot, Bestie. That's hot.
Ooh.
Ooh. You want it?
Yeah, I'm down.
Bestie, little leles.
Bro, that's good. That's a little salty. Look at that, you go McDonald's.
Girl, that was the salt.
You was
Look.
sweating at that gym a little bit.
Nah, there's a lot of salt on my fingers this time around.
Oh, look at this sugar daddy. He got some expensive water. He got expensive water.
Oh, ain't nobody got no water like that. Oh, that look good. He made water look
Open
so
that thing down
good.
too. Oh my God. And you got a Kayak?
Back to me, your sugar daddy.
Oh, he ain't looking my way, girl.
He ain't trying to, Bestie.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, he got the Tic Tacs. He keep his mouth fresh.
Oh, no, what he
Oh,
doing?
he's pulling up on me.
That girl. Oh, Bestie, I think he tried to say hi.
Girl, I will break that man. Oh, hey, everybody, this is my mom. I'm talking to my mom right now. What'd you say, mommy?
Y'all doing a video?
Yeah, like, nah, I just tried to talk to this girl at McDonald's. She was kind of cute, but she wasn't feeling me. I was like, oh, you so pretty. I like your little beauty part. Hey, grandma. It's your granddaughter.